Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So I did a video a while ago on how to make clip art sets in Midjourney. I will link that video. Um, it'll be linked at the end of the video and also in the description box below. Um, and then I can't remember if I did it in the same video or a different video, but if I did it in a different video, I'll link both videos. I then took the clip art sets over to Canva, separated the images, and then made a sticker sheet or either a sticker sheet or a image pack for my website. I can't remember. But someone asked me a question on that video about different ways you can separate the clip art in a clip art set. Um, because it's if you want to upload these to Etsy, you kind of want to separate the images so the customer doesn't have to do it themselves. But when I was separating the images, I was, kind of doing it the long way. Seems a bit tedious. And they asked me if using Magic Grab would be an option. So I've never used Magic Grab. It is a pro feature in Canva. Um, I've seen other people use it, so I'm going to try to use it today um, to see if it works. Um, I've seen it work for other people, so I'm going to see if it works for me. So I hit create a new design. Um, I am looking for custom size. Here we go. I got the glow up, so I'm still trying to learn it. And under my recents, I'm just going to do 1024 by 1024. You can type it here. Um, I'm just going to click on it. And I'm going to bring over, I was like, I feel like my screen is so, I can hardly see the box here. So I'm just going to click on the box and try and change the color a little bit so I can see the box a little bit better. So I'm going to go over here to uploads and I'm going to upload my clip art set. I just went over to Midjourney and just grabbed one that I made a while ago. Um, so while I'm waiting on that to upload, I'm just gonna hit add a page a couple of times, just so I have some extra pages on here. All right, so I'm going to grab this clip art, so stretch it out here so that it fits. I'm going to hit background remover, so to remove the background, and then I'm going to go to edit, over here to Magic Grab, and I'm just gonna click this first one. Like I said, I haven't used it, so I'm not real sure. Uh, oh, wait. So I'm gonna click on this one, hit grab, and see what happens. uh, it grabbed the whole thing, and I think I know why. I think because when I hit Magic Grab, it I hit the background instead of hitting the actual image. I think I hit over here a little too far. So let's try it again. I like experimenting on this YouTube channel. All right, so here we go. Magic Grab. Now I'm going to click on the image. There we go. And hit grab. All right. I'm gonna come back here and it grabbed the image. So I'm gonna bring it down here to this page, and now the image is separated. So I'm gonna do another one. Click here, edit, edit, magic grab. I'm going to grab this one, grab, and just going to bring this one down to its own separate page. All right. So this is what I was doing before, just to give you an idea of what I was doing before. If you haven't seen that video, I will grab the clip art set, move the background. I would duplicate the page. I would click on the page, hit edit, go to magic eraser, and I'm going to make my brush a little bit bigger. And I would erase everything that I didn't want. And I would do that. It's only 4 elements on here, so I would do it 4 times until I got all 4 of these images separated. So imagine a clip art set that had 10, 15 elements on it. So I was definitely doing it the long way. And then of course you want to make sure you get all of everything off. So then I will come here and I will have a separate image. But Magic Grab is much quicker, much more efficient. So that is a way that you can separate your clip art elements. If you want to, sell a set of clip art on Etsy or something, and you go in Midjourney, instead of creating the images one at a time in Midjourney, just create a set of elements. And again, I will link that video um, in the description box below on when I created the clip art sets. All right, so that is Magic Grab. I have discovered a new feature. It's not super new. They've had Magic Grab for a while. I just haven't used it. Thank you to the person that asked me the question. I like when you all ask me questions and different things because um, it helps me to learn new features, create more content for the channel, different things like that. So thank you to the person that asked me the question. So yes, Magic Grab would be much better way to separate clip art. All right. If you have any questions, place them in the comments below. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.